ex-housemate, Anton.
At home rin zone.
You consider yourself a nepo baby? O na-influence ka lang ng pamilya mo? Na mayaman sila, may kaya, sikat? O sadyang binoto ka lang gamit na kanyang pera?
Well, sinabi ko sa pamilya ko before kami knew not to spend. And I believe that whatever I get, I should deserve. Everything that I want to achieve in this industry as an actor, because it's my dream to be an actor, gusto ko na deserve ko siya. Kasi lagi akong tinatanong kung, oh, do you wanna work with your stepmom? Do you wanna work with Tita Angel in the future? Lagi kong sinasabi na, I think it's a prize to work with you. Right? I think I have to deserve it. Diba? I think I have to be a good enough actor to be able to act with her. And with that being said, I think if I were to win, and if I were to want to deserve a spot here, I think I have to deserve it.
Truth or lie? Truth. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Anton. Kung siya, tignan natin.
I have no way to prove it, but that's it.